love could be so beautiful. I can't conceive the thought of living through one night without you here, asleep next to me. Ooh, baby. I've always known inside I was a lucky man to have the right to call you my girl, to find someone who understands the give and take. It just don't come easy in this world. But now I sit alone, just wondering if I've thrown it all away. Ooh, I didn't mean to hurt you, baby. I didn't mean to let you down. No, I didn't mean the things I said or did. No way, no how. I didn't ever mean to touch her. I didn't mean to tell you lies. No, I didn't mean to hurt you, baby. And I won't forgive myself until I make it right. I've gotta make it all right. How could I have ever been so foolish, girl, when you put so much faith in me? I feel the shame, I feel the pain of hurting you. I can't hold my head